3, 2, 1, go.
Hello, my name is Felipe Villalobos. I am a Senior 2 Mechanical Engineering major.
And hi, my name is Kintia Stubbs. I'm a Senior 1 Mechanical Engineering major.
And this is our project on the optimization of the Energy Systems Lab wind tunnel. This is our personal learning experience for the fluid mechanics course. Our personal interest in this project came from conducting the fluid flow lab during the term. During that lab, we noted several points of error and felt the desire to expand upon them and design something to get or to minimize the effect of those sources of error. And this is our project. So our executive summary, our main objective was to remove the contributors of error that we discovered during the fluid flow lab to see an overall increase in the accuracy of the results. The experimental variables that we included in this experiment were vertical depth, fan speed, temperature. Yes. It was found that the data is representative of a velocity profile in a duct and remains consistent with Bernoulli's principle of conservation of energy along a streamline. Still, even after completing the project, we would recommend a couple points for continuous improvement on the experiment. So, like I said, our personal project interest was noticeable points of error associated with the fluid flow lab. First off was human error. So being that we were holding the pitot tube ourselves, we were changing the height data point to data point and not necessarily holding it normal to airflow. We were giving it a couple degrees of motion. Second was equipment error, being that the gauge we were using was up to our discretion. We were able to note that our readings were a little bit off term to term. And lastly was machine error. So where we had the pitot tube placed, we noticed it was a static pressure tap and there was an entrance of air to the test area. The general benefits of having a working wind tunnel are being able to see consistent data trial to trial.
And next, we have the relationship to environmental concerns. So one of the biggest concerns of the 21st century right now is climate change. So with the wind tunnel, how it can help basically with this crisis is through renewable energy. So a wind tunnel can be used to stimulate the opportunity for power generation in a specific environment. And then it can also be able to help with city infrastructure-based research and ecosystem-based research. The wind tunnel can also be used to simulate various weather conditions, to test out like how you could, I guess, combat these and, just like fix certain issues with those.